The cultural and business complex Lakhta Center is being built in St. Petersburg on the shore of the Gulf of Finland. The architectural centerpiece of the complex is a 462-meter building of the tower with weight of 670,000 tons. 3 years of continuous work, 600 volumes of design documentation, hundreds of kilometers of reinforcement, huge piles with height of a 25-floor building, more than 1,000 of workers employed simultaneously, thousands of tons of metals in the base of the foundation, record-breaking concrete pouring volumes. Creation of the skyscraper foundation is the final stage of the zero construction phase of Lakhta Center. The structural design of Lakhta Center foundation is based on the need to not only distribute loads from building weight, but to guarantee stability in sensitive soils and under high wind loads. The solid board will not solve these issues. The foundation developed for Lakhta Center reminds of a box in shape, comprising 5 walls and 2 horizontal slabs, hence the name, box-shaped. Upper and lower slabs are joined by 10 radial walls, stiffening diaphragms. The shape of assembly of these 3 elements represents a double T, a highly stable structural element. 10 double Ts remove the load from the central element of the foundation, the core, which accepts up to 70% of all vertical loads. As a result, pressure is evenly distributed on the foundation. The differences of subsidence in the center and in the periphery are leveled out. The area of the Lakhta Center foundation is 5,600 square meters. Height is 16.5 meters. The box-shaped foundation has a massive seamless slab with thickness of 3.6 meters in the core. The global record of continuous concrete pouring was broken during its pouring. It became the base for the core, which will grow as a tree trunk to the very spire of the skyscraper, floor by floor. And the pile foundation as the root system via the lower slab will accept the main load. By an additional slab, the foundation is divided into 2 underground floors. Here, the technical systems for building maintenance and server rooms will be placed. The final element of the box-shaped foundation is the upper slab with thicknesses of 2 meters. The upper slab of the foundation is created in 2 stages. The central part around the core is formed in parallel with erection of radial walls so that the skyscraper construction could further continue before completion of all works on the foundation. After pouring, while concrete is gaining strength, it is important to observe the minimum difference of structure and air temperatures. Therefore, a temperature buffer is created with the help of tents and hot air blowers. In a week after concrete pouring, the upper slab is released from the cover. Pouring of the main part of the upper foundation slab is the end of the zero cycle of Lakhta Center construction. Now, the unique foundation structure is ready to accept the load of 670,000 tons. By volume, technological complexity, and responsibility, this represents 2/3 of skyscraper construction works. The foundation, which is significant in area and volume, will serve as an impeccable support for the highest building in Europe.